per over. Even on this tough pitch, that should be a walk in the park. Pillai muttering a little prayer before each ball, a little mantra before each ball. That's high, hit high on the slice of the ball. Apurva Lakhia diving valiantly, but that's 2 runs added to the Kerala strikers total. A valiant effort by Apurva Lakhia. Well bowled by Sunny, getting a bit of pace, a bit of bounce, surprising Pillai with the delivery. It hit the splice of the bat, looped up in the air, and a big effort by Apurva Lakhia.
And to be fair to Apurva, he was not fit last week. He had a niggle in the thigh. In spite of that, he went for that. So nothing seems to be working for Mumbai Heroes tragically today. They've tried everything. In patches, they've been good as well. But full marks to Kerala strikers, Rohan. I think they have kept it. They've kept it simple. They have had a plan. And look at that, casual cricket. They're just gifting runs away now. I don't understand the need to throw the ball every time it comes to your hand. Sunil Shetty is not happy, and rightly so.
That's a modern day phenomena, Atul. As soon as the fielder gets hold of the ball, he decides to chuck it in at the keeper, at the non-striker's end, and it's not restricted to this cricket. I've seen it happen at international cricket. The ball's in the hands of a fielder at short extra cover, and he goes for this powerful throw back to the keeper when the batsmen aren't even attempting a single. I just think that's unnecessary. A slog by Pillai. Agricultural shot. It's not required at this stage, and unfortunately for the Mumbai Heroes, their out cricket is looking a little bit shabby at the moment.
I think you're right, the wheels are coming off now. They thought it's going to be difficult, they will make things difficult. First of all, I think in their mind they thought they were 20 runs short. At one point they looked set to get 150, but I think on this pitch 128 was enough. But by not being disciplined in the bowling, they have let the match drift. But you cannot take anything away from Pillai. And Paulie has done his job. There you go, another nip and a tuck here and there. 15 is batting on after 35 deliveries. Another run added in the extras department. But most importantly, giving strike to Pillai again.
I actually think 130 was a good score on this track. Balls kept low. Some of the ball have bounced higher than expected. I actually thought that was a fighting score. But the Kerala strikers and Pillai in particular have made a mockery of that total. Some shape there for Sunny. Very well bowled, a little bit of outswing and a bit of carry as well.
"17 wides have been bowled in 15.5 overs, so you can see almost 3 extra overs already bowled by Mumbai Heroes. So there you go, that is the difference in T20. If you bowl 3 extra overs, forget the runs. It's just the amount of extra deliveries you've given to the other side. It can take it away from you. At this point, 16 overs is 121 for no loss.